Hello children. Today in notice writing, I'm going to tell you about how to write a notice, formal notice writing. Here on the board you will see that it is informal notice writing, like in our houses we write down a note and give it to our parents or our brother or sister. That is called a note which we give it to them. Now not notice writing is a formal type of a notice, like you get the notice from the school, like you get circulars from the school regarding any competition or celebration. The teacher gives you the notice and you write down that notice in your diaries. So here we will learn how to write a notice. So first of all, let us see what is a notice writing. A notice is a short piece of writing which is written to convey some important information in a precise manner. It could be related to a cultural event, sports event, meeting, anything else. Precise means we don't have to write a letter. Here we have to be to the point. So there are certain tips to write notice writing. Let's see what are those tips. Purpose of writing a notice: to draw attention, to give information. These are the two purposes of writing a notice: to draw attention, to give information. Now next is tips for writing a notice. What are the main tips to write a notice? First of all, we have to make a box in which we have to write down a notice. A notice writing is always written in a box. So tip for writing a notice: keep the word limit up to 50 words. We count the words from the beginning. I will tell you how. Give a suitable heading. Give all the relevant details such as date, time and venue. This should be there. It should include all these details. Put all the information in the box. Information in the box as I told you. Okay, next is format of writing notice. Format of writing notice means here you will see format of writing notice. This format you have to remember all the time. First of all, you will write down name of the institution in capital letter. It should be written in capital letter. Remember it. Now, ये notice लिखना जरूरी है. Notice, N-O-T-I-C-E. It will be also written in a capital letter. Date should be there. Then title. What is the title? Which competition is there? If it is a notice of a holiday, what is it? If it is a notice of some cultural event, sports event, वो सब यहाँ title में लिखेंगे. Title. Now, what is body? The main important things which we want to convey to our ऑडियंस इज द बॉडी. जो पढ़ेगा उसको, जो रीड करेगा नोटिस, उस वो बीच का जो पार्ट है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ बॉडी. Like we have a body of the letter also. So they have different marks also. Marks का format भी I will send you the format of marks also. कि सबके like date is having half marks, title is having half marks, body. It depends upon how many marks we have set for that question. Now signature means whoever has written the notice will write down their name and designation. Signature we need when we are giving the notice. हार्ड कॉपी निकाला, उसमें साइन किया, ठीक है. नाउ इट इज यू आर राइटिंग इट ऑन द पेपर, यू कैन साइन इट, राइट डाउन योर नेम एंड राइट डाउन द डिजिग्नेशन. Okay, fine. Now next is, this is an example. I have written a notice. Now this notice we can write to, दो तरीके से लिखना है. ये भी कर सकते हैं and the other one that also I will show you. Now the question is, write a notice for inter-house quiz competition. You are the event in charge or the cultural in charge. So here I have not mentioned. Exam में आपको आ सकता है कि you are Sonali of class 5. You are the cultural in charge of middle wing. Write a notice about, हम कुछ भी दे सकते हैं. Inter house quiz competition है, Teachers Day celebration है, 14th November celebration. Anything we can give you. Now this is the example here. Army Public School Bareilly. Can't be लिखना है, that I have forgotten. Notice. Now 19 August 2021, it is today's date, so you will write down this date. जब भी notice लिखना, you have to write down the date of that day only, 19 August 2021. Now inter house quiz competition, it is a heading लिखना जरूरी है, आधा मार्क्स होता है, हाफ मार्क्स. इंटर हाउस क्विज कंपटीशन 2021. Now here I have written in a language format. This is to inform you all the students that inter-house quiz competition will be held on 5th September in the school auditorium. Interested students can give their names to undersign. Undersign means the one who has undersigned it. ये मैंने यहाँ पर लिखा है तो undersign. Before 25th August 2021. Okay. This is one type of a notice format. ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं और ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं जो मैंने यहाँ पर लिखा है, right, example of writing a notice for inter house. The same question is there. So I will give you the practice by giving you different type of questions and I will give you samples also. This is only for the explanation. Now Army Public School Bareilly, notice same चीज है बेटा, 19 August, heading is also same. This is to inform all the students that our school is organizing a competition. यहाँ पर हमने सिर्फ एक सेंटेंस लिखा है, ये लिखना जरूरी है. इवेंट बीच में आएगा, सेंटर में आएगा, वेन्यू, डेट, टाइम. These four things are very much important. Event क्या है? Inter house quiz competition. Venue, school auditorium. Date 5th September. If these things are not written in the question, you can write down your own timings and date and place. Venue means place where the competition is going to be held. Now interested students can give their names to undersign before 25. तो हमने टाइम भी देना है कि कब तक हमको नेम्स चाहिए. So that यहाँ पर मैंने लिख दिया सविता because it's my name, event in charge. आप अपना नाम लिखोगे बट एग्जाम में अगर किसी का नाम लिखने के लिए आएगा तो you will write down your name. If you are a boy and you say that Sonali, I will not write Sonali and you will write your own name, that will be a wrong. यहाँ पर आपको मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे. अगर एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है रमेश and the girl will say I will not write Ramesh, then you will, आपका गलत मार्क्स गलत हो जाएगा, आपको वो नहीं मिलेगा मार्क्स. Now next. Thank you. I hope you have understood how to write down the notice writing. I will give you plenty of questions to write it. You will do the practice and do well in your exams. Thank you.